Today, I'm going to share with you an incredible strategy that can help you increase your income by a whopping 120% in just 1 month. Yes, you heard it right, 120%. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial situation, let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to note that this strategy requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. So, if you're up for the challenge, let's begin with Step 1. Step 1. Evaluate your current skills and marketability. Take some time to assess your existing skills and identify areas where you can enhance your marketability. Are there any new skills you can acquire or existing ones you can improve upon? This could include anything from learning a programming language, taking online courses, or even honing your communication skills. The idea is to make yourself more valuable in the job market. Step 2. Network. Building a strong network is crucial in today's competitive world. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with like-minded individuals both online and offline. Remember, it's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Step 3. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore ways to diversify your income streams. This can be through part-time freelancing, starting a side business, or even investing in passive income sources like stocks or real estate. Step 4. Hustle and leverage online opportunities. In today's digital age, there are countless online platforms and opportunities to monetize your skills and knowledge. The possibilities are endless if you're willing to put in the work and leverage the power of the internet. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our strategy. By following these 4 steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing your income by 120% in just 1 month. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, and results may vary based on individual circumstances. But with perseverance, determination, and the willingness to take action, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, share your success stories or any additional tips you have in the comments below.